So you want to learn how to do an epic middle splits. Well, in today's video, we're going to show you a powerful drill that is going to open up your adductors and hamstrings in record time. We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image. Today's demonstration is a movement drill called the Straddle Up to Good Morning, and we use it in our UMS program because it is an active movement. It's an active stretch, meaning that the muscles are not only lengthening, they're also thickening and strengthening at the same time, which is critical for the development of flexibility, because true flexibility cannot be achieved in the absence of strength. The neural adaptation to flexibility is predominantly occurring in the brain, and we need to prove to the brain that we are strong and stable in those end ranges. So the Straddle Up to Good Morning is a great exercise because it does all of that in a very efficient workout.
Straddle Up to Good Morning. We use this in the UMS as it is an excellent progression for middle splits training. It is likely you will not be ready for this progression yet. People often need to practice the Straddle Up for several months before seeing enough improvement to attempt to straddle up to good morning. If you are not ready, simply swap this for one of the easier middle splits progressions. Open your legs as wide as you can and place your hands on the box or the ground. Whilst you pull your heels into the ground, push up with your hands. Stand up into an active middle splits, then lean forward for 3 reps of a good morning before bending from the hips and keeping the back straight. Then place your hands on the box or the ground where you started and lower yourself back down.
In case we haven't met, my name's Yanni Baumeister. I'm a co-founder of Unity Gym and the UMS program. Now, there are 3 good ways you can work with us if you want to take things further. You can join our UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. It's free to join. We're in there daily. We share behind the scenes footage, bloopers, takes, and answer great questions from you guys. You can download one of our blueprints for strength, flexibility, fitness, or nutrition and join our Inner Circle email list. It's all free. Or you can sign up and do a free 30-day trial of our flagship UMS online coaching program, where you'll get access to our coaching group, you'll get access to our 12 months of gym programming, our 12 months of home programming, and a whole lot more. Links are in the description.
To progress the movement, remove the box, try to go lower so your bum is lower to the ground. Eventually you want to be able to sit on the ground and push off the ground with your hands. And then eventually you want to be able to pull up into the straddle up without using your hands at all. And the final phase for this movement is when you're on the ground and you can stand up without using your hands and holding a small weight in your hands, somewhere between 5 to 10 pounds or 5 to 15 pounds. You should feel the muscles down the inside of your thighs working hard in this movement. You will see improvement from each set. Your first set will most likely not be as good as your last set, so start gently and progress as your body allows it. Be careful not to hurt yourself. Take your time and the flexibility will come. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: press the hands into the floor or box, pull the feet into the ground, and lean forward to control the eccentric contraction.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.